It is given in this question, 0.3 grams of an organic compound is undergoing complete combustion to produce 0.2 grams of carbon dioxide and 0.1 gram of water. We have to find out the percentage composition of carbon and hydrogen present inside the compound. Let's take the organic compound as X, and X plus O2 is producing carbon dioxide and water. The mass of carbon dioxide and water are 0.2 gram and 0.1 gram respectively. Now we need to find out the percentage composition of carbon. We have the equation to find out the percentage composition of carbon, that is equal to 12 into the mass of carbon dioxide produced multiplied by 100 divided by the molar mass of carbon dioxide multiplied by the mass of the organic compound. Here M2 is the mass of CO2, that is given as 0.2 grams, and the mass of organic compound undergoing combustion is 0.3 gram, because the carbon is present only in one of the product, that is CO2. Now we can substitute the values to find out the percentage composition, that is equal to 18.18 percentage. Similarly, we can find out the percentage composition of hydrogen, that is equal to the molar mass of hydrogen multiplied by the mass of water produced multiplied by 100 divided by molar mass of water multiplied by the mass of organic compound, because hydrogen is present only in one product, that is water. So we need to take the molar mass of water only here. So by substituting the values, we can find out the percentage composition, that is equal to 3.70. So from these options, we can see the percentage composition of carbon is 18.18 and that of hydrogen is 3.70. So the correct answer is option B.